You know what's wild? Most people think you need a full dev team and thousands of dollars to build something like Spotify or Apple Music, but guess what? You can build your own music streaming web app today for free and with zero coding. Let me show you how in less than 30 minutes using Bubble first. Go to Bubble and sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. On your dashboard, click Create New Project. Bubble will ask if you want a web app or mobile app. For this demo, I'm choosing a web app. Now you can let Bubble AI instantly create a starter app or start with a blank canvas. I'm choosing AI Build, it's quicker. Give your app a name. Mine is My Music. If Bubble asks for card details, don't worry, we're sticking with free. Just click Start with Basic Features. And there it is. Your clean app interface ready to customize. This is where the magic happens. On the left, you've got your UI builder for adding text, images, and buttons. On the right, these three tabs, appearance, layout, and conditional, are your power tools. These control how everything looks and behaves. Now let's start with the Hero section. That's the first thing users see. I'm changing the title to My Music. For the description, I'll add, you can also swap in your own logo and edit every button here. Search, play now, anything you want. On page 2, the search results page, you can customize how your music cards look. I'm editing columns, changing background colors, and adding dynamic placeholders like song title, artist name, and a play button. See how quick that is? Next, for styling, choose your fonts, colors, and even button animations. Want a gradient background? Click Background Style, maybe Gradient, and pick your colors. These three tabs are like Photoshop for apps. At the end, click Preview, and you can see your app in action instantly. You can interact with search, click buttons, and test it like a real app without writing a single line of code. You can test and preview for free, but if you want to download your app or publish it on your own domain, you'll need a paid plan. For now, the free plan is perfect for learning and experimenting. And that's it, you've just built your own music app, visually, in minutes, and for free. Want me to show how to add playlists, user logins, or real-time music streaming next? Comment below and let me know. If this was helpful, smash like, subscribe to AIChief, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next.